Can you see my screen? Okay. So at the first few things ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ this is ਆਪਾਂ install ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੁਝ libraries ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ cloud ਤੇ run ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, but let us go here. ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ same ਹੀ follow ਕਰਾਂਗੇ flow ਜਿਹੜਾ discuss ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ slides. We will follow the same flow. We'll define the X first, input to the model. And this demo is actually to show you how you can use AI. Define the X first, we define the function, and then finally we see the output from the model. Okay. Now this goal is to show you that you can use trained AI models. To see trained AI models use कर सकते, you don't have to develop them. इथे ਆਪਾਂ tesseract model use कर रहे हैं. Tesseract model text extract कर सकता है images तो. Like this is a image, like you see I cannot copy it. This is an image. It's a small story about childhood, filled with endless laughter, carefree adventures. Every morning the sun would shine brightly. So you can actually give it any image, and now if you give it any image, this is the image which I just gave it as input, which is the X function apa define kita, which is an AI model. So this is an AI model. Once you've defined the input X function, now अपन AI ने use करके run करेंगे तो वो AI अपन text extract करके दे देगी. So this is an OCR extractor. The text which you see here, right, is extracted using AI. Now OCR extractor सिर्फ English the text extract नहीं करता. It can extract Punjabi text. Like this. Let me give you a Punjabi example which I was showing you earlier. So this is a Punjabi image, like बचपन दे सोने दिन हमेशा खुशी ते मस्तियां नाल भरे रहंदे सन. So it's a small Punjabi story. So you can give it any text written in Punjabi, which is an image. Again, the same thing, you give X, define the function, and we get the output. If you run it, like the text, now you have the text which you can copy. Now this text can be land records, this text can be like the Google Lens app, photo of any product, right? Kuch bhi ho sakta hai. So if you want to use AI, you just have to do 3 steps. Input to the AI function, and the output from the model. So you can use AI from DeepSeek, you can use AI from GPT, you can use AI from the text extractor. All this AI is often freely available open source. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਦੇ projects ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਸਾਨੀ ਨਾਲ use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. You don't have to pay anyone anything to use this AI. So the companies who develop these products using this open source AI often charge a lot of money, but they want engineers who knows like these basic steps. Okay, ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ basic steps ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So whenever you want to use AI, which you have not created, right? To see AI create nahi kiti, but you want to use that AI. Steps are very simple. So they will often, this creation steps like you have seen, right? Data intelligence, training of AI, evaluation of AI. Steps of creation. The steps of usage are very simple as well. We start with the data. Again, AI is already trained, but you need to know ki kis tarah da data input AI accept kar diya. So this is something you often read about the model or company who has released their AI, right? You select the intelligence, like this is AI already we have available, and then we just see the output. Okay. Now let me stop here. How much you actually understood this basic part, which we just see the demo, right? How to create OCR systems. ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ intermediate course ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ. Creation of OCR system is more complex, but you don't have to create these systems. You can actually use these systems which are already created, and you can use them for Punjabi or English or all those sorts of things. Okay. Now the live demo which you are seeing here is also doing the same thing. You're defining the input to the model X. We are defining the function AI, and we're just seeing the output from the function. So creating an AI is hard. Using an AI is very simple. To see आपदे आप कोई भी मॉडल है image दा text दा कोई भी मॉडल होना पागा demos देखांगे. Chat GPT दिया demos, कुछ DeepSeek दिया demos I'll show you, and some AI agents and those kind of demos, right? You will see that it's just 3 steps. Often we'll start with input, function, and the output. So when you learn coding, we will just learn this much coding: how to define the input to the model, how to define the model itself, which already exists, and how to get output from the model. So you don't need to learn many very complex coding. Coding is very, very easy for these kind of things. It's already well defined. Okay. So in this one, if you have any questions, write it in the chat. And also in this one, how many of you are like understanding this part, which I'm trying to kind of convey today, that how to use AI systems?